Hello, I'm now going to talk about the fashion marketing retailing program and specifically what areas get covered throughout the 4 years if you study this particular program. If we just run through the years, this will help you to understand what gets taught across the 4-year program. So in the first year, it's a general introduction. It's taught to all students from most of the programs on this campus. And it's an introduction to context. It focuses very much on the fashion industry. So it gives every student an understanding of the general fashion industry so that it provides a context for your future studies. So this is providing you a context, and it also gives you an introduction to the principles of marketing and management. We look at also developing your basic digital skills. So it's a very much a foundation year. It's primarily there to get students from different programs working together collaboratively in many cases, and to develop their understanding of the fashion industry and the context that provides. The second year of the fashion marketing and retailing program. The program in this year focuses on 3 main areas. The first one is consumer behavior, which is about what makes consumers tick, what motivates them. The second area is fashion buying and merchandising. We know this is an important career destination for a number of students, and so we focus very much on the skills for gaining a career in this particular area. And the final area that we focus very much on is the presentation and creation of data, particularly from an advertising perspective. So we look at different ways of producing good communication skills. You will learn how to, for example, create a digital magazine. You will learn broadly about advertising and how to construct advertising campaigns. Those are the 3 main areas that we focus in the second. The third year of the fashion marketing and retailing program focuses on events management, how to run an event, how to organize an event. Again, very important in the fashion industry. And we also look to develop entrepreneurial and business innovation skills. Again, this is absolutely fundamental as we are seeing in the current pandemic. Businesses who are able to prosper and thrive are those who have adapted their products and services in the light of changing customer demands and needs. So those are the skills that we will hone in the third year of the program. In the final and fourth year of the fashion marketing and retailing program, the students will undertake a dissertation. This is a really important part of the program and is arguably the culmination of the 4 years. It's an opportunity for the students to really get their teeth into a topic that is related to something that they're interested in, and it's something that we know that students can highlight in their CVs and can talk to future employers about. The other areas that the students will look at is firstly digital marketing. Again, a key area for the program. We help to develop your skills in optimizing digital marketing on online content. You will learn about online campaigns, and often we have worked with live companies in sort of live projects. So this is a key focus for the 4th year. And finally, the other area that we look at, which is important, is global business and global management. So again, we look at the global aspects of the fashion industry in particular, the global supply chains, the ethical dilemmas that face the industry, the challenges, and how to approach those challenges. And that's pretty much the final year. One way that the students can gain industry experience is via industry projects, and it's something that the program really focuses on. We try to get as many life projects as possible through different courses, and it's something that we know students enjoy. It's good for their learning, and again for their career prospects. It's something that they can draw upon. Some of the companies that we've worked with in the past include L'Oreal, the cosmetics company. We've worked with Harris Tweed. We've worked with Harvey Nichols. We've worked with local companies as well, such as Aribe Knitwear. And we have worked with Findra, which is a clothing brand specific to women and for sort of outdoor, focusing on outdoor apparel. We also have opportunities for students to visit trade shows. And again, one of the highlights, and this is open to students from the Fashion, Retailing and Marketing program, is that they can visit trade shows in Paris, for example, Premier Vision, which is typically held in February. And this is a great eye-opener for a lot of the students to see a trade fair which the majority of students have never witnessed before, and it's a real eye-opener. It really gives the students a different perspective on the industry and the global nature of the industry. So this is a wonderful opportunity that is available to students on the program. In terms of career opportunities and paths, the Fashion, Retailing and Marketing program gives students lots of different options. This is a key strength of the program. It's quite broad, it's diverse, but it really gives students lots of flexibility and the opportunity to go into different directions. Typically, students have in the past gone into careers such as fashion buying and fashion merchandising, but also increasingly now digital marketing. And typically this might be content marketing, content management, social media. There are lots of new jobs related to digital marketing which the student or the graduate is now able to go into. Other areas include also retail management, branding, and also marketing generally, and all the different subsects of marketing. Finally, the best thing about studying at the School of Textiles and Design is the friendly environment and culture that you'll experience if you study here. We are a relatively small school, and that makes us specialised, and therefore we're very good at what we do. We also think that the culture of the school is that we are open and friendly. Because we're relatively small, there is an opportunity to forge really close friendships with your peers, and also you can get to know your staff really well. That's something that is not necessarily true of all universities.